work on the top half and then not do anything on the bottom half. So I am go ahead and more focus on top half right there. And floating, you know what, top coat right on the top.
So Bellable, yes, currently we have our 5th anniversary going on, and yes, the crystal box is also on sale. You check them out.
There are 9,000 pieces in this kit. I think it's probably will last you a years to come. And with so many of fillers, so many center pieces, and so many of the beads and frames, you will never run out of the ideas. I am so excited. So I'm gonna use this super cute drop right there from the sister kits right there. And then the cheeky heart from the first kit. Oh, they're so adorable. It's so perfect. And then adding something. There are so many. Check out a lot of videos that I did got an opportunity to share with you. You will have so much fun. They're framed from there. I picked some of them out first, so then I won't have to be here like trying to changing my mind thousands of times, because you having so much fun with this and you will never run out of the ideas. Ready here. And then you can either put the beads here or you can put the crystals on. The drop on the I love it that how the chickies make it look so different. Like, and then add another one. I'm gonna do this really cute and simple one, so then you can definitely. So a lot of Glitz fam members were asking like, my clients was never doing a crystal. You know how it's just not only.
So he took ask you, what is the crystal box called?
This is the glow in the dark crystal kits. So there's a crystal kit number 1 and then crystal kit number 2, and there are the difference is really cool. The different with centerpieces. So when you have 2 of these kits, you own 2 of this kit. All the shape is different. So 1, 2, 3, 14 different shape at the centerpiece, and then 6 different slot of the SS filler is packed. I've been using it for a long time, and you will never run out of your filler. This is it's already packed up over here, but then I'm using a lot of them out of it, but you will never run out. I mean, design so many plus for the clients, and then plus the tutorial for you. I'm not having any issues with run out of them. There are so many shapes that I can work with. Glow in the Dark number 1 and Glow in the Dark and number 2. They each have a really unique centerpieces. So if you have both of them, great. If you have one of them, it's also awesome, because you will never run out of the ideas. And then when you see, I have 2 of them. At first, I only have 1, and then when I got another one, the second one, I able to alternate. And then I kind of, how I say is adding a lot of different centerpiece from a number 2 with the number 1. So like have alternate. Well, no. Combine them together. That's the right words. Like combine them together. Have so much fun. But if you have one of them, it's also great too. But guess what happened? It is a huge special 5th anniversary sales going on. So you can definitely own both of them without breaking your bank. You'll be so happy that you did, because this is that way you can save so much and then have so many more of the inventory. So then if your clients is coming, you can able to run some special promotion, like, you know, if you get a new set of $50, $60, $70, and however you price your price set, you get free of super cute nail art, and get some of the swatch designs. Like you can do a basic simple for the clients. Like say if you have the clients doing a set is $60 for instance, you can definitely give your clients a really simple designs of like $5 6 nails. It doesn't have to be like $20-$30 now, but then it's to give the clients as introduce them. I have a clients that were never even thinking about the crystal at all, since we are running special promotion, and then add a couple cute designs for the clients nails when the special holiday. Absolutely, next time the clients are, oh my gosh, I want it, it's so cute, I want to do it again. Sure, that's how you get to start your clients. Just give them some cute experience, so then that way they can able to see like, oh my gosh, the crystals stay on and they're sparkly, and they'll stay like sparkle all entire time until they are coming back to see you in the next visit.
Yep, and just a easy way for you to find this kit on our website at glitzsuccessionsuch.com. Just head over to the Easter Spring HQ. All of these products are there.
Is the crystal kit is there too?
I think so.
Oh, good to know. All right, so here, if you pay attention, I've been sharing with you and step by step, and I've been talking. I just want to give and deliver the most informative information for you. So all in time, I talk, and then I still able to add more crystal on or remove it or add it more. That's how powerful of a crystal trifecta is. So you will never have to worry about it's gonna set, it's gonna dry when you are like the clients, oh Nancy, can I add more crystal? And say, oh no, sorry, it's already dry, or I need to add it more glue on it. So when you're working with the crystal trifecta, that is the way to go. And it does help me so much with my crystal designs for past 5 years, and I know it will be your bestie, and it will definitely change your crystal designs and application